What if one shell script could check your server's health and send you an alert when something goes wrong? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I do it on dozens of Linux servers. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate health checks using a simple bash script. It monitors key metrics like CPU usage, memory usage, disk space, and PostgreSQL status. And if anything crosses a threshold, you'll get an email instantly. No heavy tools or agents required. Here's the core script. It collects CPU, memory, and disk data using native Linux commands like top, df, and free. Then, it sends email alerts if your usage goes beyond a safe limit. For example, if CPU is above 80% or disk space is over 90%, you'll get an email right away. It's lightweight, fast, and customizable for your environment. You can schedule the script using a cron job like this. Every 10 minutes, it checks your server health and alerts you if something's wrong. It's a set-it-and-forget-it solution that quietly keeps you informed. This small script can save you hours of manual checks, or worse, unplanned downtime. If you'd like the full script, setup guide, and more automation tricks, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want more DevOps tools like this. Thanks for watching. From devopsimind.